Welcome to the Burke County High School Construction Lab. I'm glad you are taking the time to learn more about what the construction education program has to offer. Let's go inside and see what opportunities there are. The construction lab is a busy place. The students are engaged in instruction, as well as a healthy amount of hands-on lab time. Before we move on, let me give you a tour of the facility. All instruction starts in the classroom. The classroom area is equipped with adequate resources to enhance student learning. Also in the classroom are computers that can be used for instruction, research, or online enrichment activities. This is the main lab work area. It is large enough to accommodate a full class of 28 students with their tools and equipment. This is where all the masonry takes place. It is equipped with student centers which give adequate space for students to lay brick and block and practice using the tools of the trade. The tool room houses many of the hand and power tools used in the 4 trade areas. As you can see, there's an adequate amount of hand tools available for large or small groups. We also provide student lockers for advanced students to prepare for lab experiences. And of course, the most important area in the lab is the safety zone. This is where students can collect their safety equipment, use the eye wash station, or have access to the first aid cabinet. Let's take a closer look at the classes offered in the construction program. The first class students will take is Occupational Safety and Fundamentals. This is a semester class which is the first of 2 prerequisite classes. Students will cover a wide range of subjects. We will cover safety, which is the most important part of class. We will cover construction math and actually practice using these math concepts to create a site layout. Students will be exposed to hand and power tools. We will also learn the basics of how to read and interpret construction drawings. Students will practice good communication skills, good employable skills, and a few other important points of the construction industry. The second prerequisite class is Introduction to Construction. The class is designed to introduce the students to the 4 building trades. Students will spend 4.5 weeks in each trade area. During that time, they will be studying the history of the trade and tools of the trade. They will interpret drawings and understand many aspects of drawing symbols and their usage. They will also be engaged in building assignments that will help enforce the use of the tools and concepts learned in each of the trade areas. This course is preceded by Introduction to Construction. The course is the third of 4 courses that provide students a solid foundation in carpentry skills and knowledge. It is the third step in gaining a Level 1 industry certification in carpentry. This course provides an overview of the building materials used in the carpentry craft. It teaches techniques for reading and using blueprints and specifications, especially as related to the carpentry craft. It also provides specific knowledge and skills in site layout and floor and wall framing systems. It includes the basic industry terminology for a carpentry craftsperson. This course is preceded by Introduction to Construction and is the third of 4 courses that provides the students with a solid foundation in electrical skills and knowledge. It is the third step in gaining a Level 1 industry certification in electrical. This course builds on the concepts of electrical safety introduced in previous classes. It provides knowledge of the hardware and systems used by electricians and the basic skills to install them. It provides a general knowledge of electrical systems, including series, parallel, and series parallel circuits. It provides the basic skills and knowledge to navigate and use the National Electrical Code. It also introduces the skills and knowledge of conduit bending and installation. This course is also preceded by Introduction to Construction and is the third of 4 courses that provide the students with a solid foundation in masonry skills and knowledge. It is the third step in gaining a Level 1 industry certification in masonry. This course provides knowledge and skills needed to operate hand tools, power tools, and equipment used in mixing mortar safely. It provides the knowledge and skills needed for cutting, laying, and finishing masonry units. This course is preceded by Introduction to Construction and is the third of 4 courses that provides the students with a solid foundation in plumbing skills and knowledge. It is the third step in gaining a Level 1 industry certification in plumbing. This course provides basic skills and knowledge needed to apply OSHA and EPA safety concepts and practices as related to specifications to the plumbing trade. It includes the use of plumbing tools and materials. The student is introduced to the basic knowledge and applications of plumbing codes. Also included is the basic skills and knowledge required to handle, estimate, and store materials used in the plumbing trade. One of the biggest supporters that the construction programs have across the state is a nonprofit organization called CEFCA, or the Construction Education Foundation of Georgia. CEFCA partners with construction companies, trade associations, the Technical College System of Georgia, and the Georgia Department of Education to support training programs and encourage students to pursue careers in construction. In 2009, the Burke County High Construction Program applied for industry accreditation. This is the visiting team that evaluated the program. After a lengthy review, the program was awarded industry accreditation. A CEFCA representative presented the accomplishment at the local board meeting. Now, let's take a quick look at just a few projects that students have created. One of the extracurricular activities that students can get involved in is Skills USA. Skills USA is a partnership of students, teachers, and industry representatives working together to ensure America has a skilled workforce. This concludes the tour of the Construction Education Program. I hope you've enjoyed your visit.